So hey guys and what's up, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are not going to edit any photo as our daily routine. In this video we are going to edit video. Many of you have requested to me make video in the topic of how to change background color of video. So guys, finally I have made this video, hope you liked it. And guys, application link is in description, you can download from there. If you have any question or any problem related to this, you can comment me in comment box. Before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for new update. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and